Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhata mi pi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Hadin mu General Secretary John ka United Democratic Party Dr. Jemino Mautho Larazaino naga UDP kaseng ka bawla dan bonsnam. President John ka UDP ba Metbah lingdo ulang basyan ka UDP kan sa siyang jingalang banyakiran halo ka shiti resign jong. Habakinong talk kubor kilakili manuban Shimti ya kashuki batili jong Dr. Jemino uba Metbah ulang baka UDP kadan shibon Briew kibalaban Shimti ya kam General Secretary harikan Shim ya karai hakan jingalang jong ka kabaon am slam show. Kumbanch pun kan mau hakini kindiat General Secretary ke UDP Dr. Jemino Mautho ubadeiru MLA berim kanong thamai constituency ula resign no ni kaseng UDP baklami ke jingkran ki babon bula bane penyosok shikiwe pak keseng san perthai henry halo kane ba bet ba ulong bo kwa banong AA halor kata.
UDP believes in teamwork. Okay. So each and every member who are part of the team, they play their own role. They contribute in their own way of doing things. And the journey that we are right now and we have been for all these years, it is because of the performance of the team. It's not because of the performance of one person. Since the time that I took over as the president, I would like to convey a very strong message that the journey that we've been on till today is because of the teamwork of those members within the party. So anybody leaving our party who are part of the team, definitely we will be missing them. But as a party, we have to move on. Come what may, and we have to fight, and we have to perform, and we will try our level best to deliver the expectation of the people. Well, I would like to be very, very clear on this. I don't know the mind of every person, but as far as the letter of resignation is concerned, which was addressed to me, is that the reason he stated in the letter was of his personal only. It's nothing else beyond that. I have no comment on that part, and as far as his resignation letter also is concerned, I will be taking up this letter in the next meeting within the party to discuss further. We have many, so the party will decide. I think even Bob Jemino also has mentioned it very clearly that he don't have anything against anyone or any individual in the party.
Is there any boiling dissidence within UDP under your leadership?
No, there's nothing as such. There's nothing as such. And such kind, if it is there, it's not of that. You know, even if it is there, it's there always in any political parties. But they are free to express, they are free to share, they are free to discuss in the platform of the party. So far till now, there's nothing as such that there's some dissidence within the party. For me, personally, I would like to say that it is my duty as a president to see that I'm working for the interests of the party. That is my job, and that is my role as a leader of the party. I don't go beyond that.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.